Alright, quick heads up for creators. Google just leveled up Veo 3.1. If you make shorts, reels, TikToks, this is the update you were waiting for. So, what's Veo? It's Google's AI video generation model. You give it a prompt and now, a few reference images, and it turns that into a polished video clip. Here's the headline: Native Vertical Videos. Veo's ingredients to video now outputs in 9:16 from the jump. No more cropping a horizontal render and losing half your frame. Your composition stays clean, full screen, and phone ready. It also got upgrades to character expression, movement, and overall consistency, even if your prompt is short. That means the same character can appear across multiple shots and settings without weird glitches or face drift. Objects, backgrounds, and textures play nice together so your story flows. And resolution? You can upscale to 1080p or 4K. The 1080p looks sharper and cleaner for editing, while 4K brings rich textures and serious clarity for bigger screens. Best part for speed, you can guide Veo with up to 3 reference images. One for your character, one for the background, and a third for texture or style. Toss in a short prompt, and it fills in the gaps with more expressive motion and better storytelling. Where do you use it? Gemini App, YouTube, Flow, Google Vids, the Gemini API, Vertex AI, and Google's wiring vertical creation directly into YouTube Shorts and the YouTube Create app, so you can ideate and publish without bouncing between tools. Benefits in plain English: less setup, fewer hacks, no awkward crops. Faster from idea to post, thanks to better results from short prompts. Consistent characters and scenes across multiple shots, huge for narrative. Cleaner 1080p for edits, optional 4K for premium delivery. Let me show you 3 quick use cases. Use case 1, creator storytelling. I snap a photo of my main character, pick a city alley background, add a neon texture image and say, night chase, slow push-in, synth vibe. Veo returns a cohesive vertical sequence with the same character across shots. I trim, caption, post, done. Use case 2, product tease. I drop a clean pack shot, a studio backdrop, and a brushed metal texture.